व्हाइट हाउस में सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप की हंगामी मीटिंग 1 घंटे और 20 मिनट तक जारी रही। हंगामी इजलास में इस बात पर तबादला ख्याल किया गया कि आया अमेरिका को इजराइल के साथ ईरानी न्यूक्लियर साइट्स पर हमला करना चाहिए या नहीं। रिपोर्ट में कहा गया है कि सदर ट्रंप के करीबी मुशीरों के दरमियान इस बात पर मुकम्मल इत्तेफाक नहीं है। कई दिनों तक ईरान को मुज़ाकरात में वापस आने की तरगीब देने के बाद सदर ट्रंप इस बात पर गौर कर रहे हैं कि आया अमेरिका को बराह रास्त ईरान के खिलाफ इजराइल की जंग में शामिल होना चाहिए। अमरीकी कौमी सलामती कौंसिल के कल होने वाले इजलास में ट्रंप और उनके मुशीरों ने ईरान के जौहरी तंसीबात पर हमले के इम्कान पर तबादला ख्याल किया था।
I always have a good time. Hi, Jennifer.
You just posted right before we took off that you're not leaving because of a ceasefire. Why are you? Can you elaborate?
We're looking at better than ceasefire. We're not looking for a ceasefire. I didn't say I was looking for a ceasefire. That was Emmanuel. Nice guy. But he doesn't get it right too often. But we're not looking. We're looking for better than a ceasefire.
You're looking to get into this more. You're not going to involve the U.S. in this conflict at this stage. You're going to do anything more for Israel right now?
Doing pretty well. Right now, we're doing pretty well. Remember, Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon. It's very simple. We don't have to go too deep into it. They just can't have a nuclear weapon.
What was the thinking on the call for Tehran to evacuate? Is there a threat or is there incoming? What was the thinking on the full evacuation?
I want people to be safe. And that's always possible. A thing like that could happen. I just want people to be safe.
Is there any new concern about U.S. troops or assets in the region at all today?
We have great people. They know how to protect themselves.
And when you say better, what specifically do you
Down so
mean?
hard if they do anything to our people. We'll come down so hard, then the gloves are off so beautifully. Now, I think they know not to touch our troops.
Are you sending the vice?
But our troops are ready.
When you say
Do you
better,
want to send the vice president and Steve Witkoff? There's reports that you want to send the vice president and Steve Witkoff to meet with the Iranians and have discussions. Is that something you're considering?
Not sure yet. I may. Depends on what happens when I get back.
what specifically is better than a ceasefire?